Welcome to Organize with Ann. Today we are going to go over 5 reasons to get organized. Stay with me, you're going to find a lot of value in today's video. I've been reading the book Organize from the Inside Out by Julie Morgenstern. It has been so helpful as I have gone to organized spaces. I think there are 5 reasons that you should get organized today. Now, you don't have to trust me on this, but I think that these tips would really help you out if you are living in a space that seems unorganized and you are looking for help in that area. Let me share with you what I've found out, and then you can take this little nugget of information and do what you want with it. Reason number 1 to get organized is so that you will spend less time looking for items. When your home office or space are really disorganized and you don't know where items are, it can cause you to feel stressed, frustrated, and have a lot of anxiety. And who wants to feel that? A solution would be to start putting items of the same kind in the same place or in the same container. So for example, when I had little kids, I knew that I needed to get their hair ready here in the kitchen. So instead of keeping all of my hair supplies in my bathroom, I kept them in the kitchen cabinet. This allowed me to go through the breakfast rush and do their hair right here. That process worked for me. I was not going to the bathroom, trying to find hairspray, elastics, combs. It was all in one place in my cabinet. I stopped wasting time looking for items. The second reason to get organized is to start gaining a sense of self-control. Essentially, who's the boss of your stuff? You or your stuff? If you said you are the one in control, then you are absolutely right. Your stuff should not control you. Once you get your house organized, you will realize how much energy and calmness comes from it, and how much you will start to regain all of that self-control that you may not feel right now. You may also find that you have more time to achieve the things that you really want to do when you have a more organized house. Less stuff means less time cleaning, less time organizing, and doing more of what you are really passionate about. Reason number 3 to get organized is to save money. You may find that if you have not organized your belongings and put like items together and put them in containers, that you may be running out to the stores trying to find what you already have. This can become so expensive, and it can also lead to feelings of frustration because you've wasted your money on items that you already have in your house. The 4th reason to get organized is because it can improve your relationship. This includes being an example to your kids. Oftentimes, if your kids see you holding on and hoarding things, they're going to do the same. These are not necessarily healthy habits to have as they go into their adulthood. They should be able to see us as examples of things that we cherish to be saved, and things that maybe are not so cherishable we could donate and give to somebody else who needs them. It's a life lesson that kids really, really need you to model. Another reason to get organized is because it improves relationships. Have you ever felt that your house is too disorganized or too cluttery to have people over? That can feel really, really limiting. So getting those things cleaned up can open up your relationships, which then improves and enriches your life. The 5th reason to get organized is to clear your mind of clutter. I am a true believer that whatever your house looks like is an absolute reflection of what's going on in your mind. By decluttering and organizing your space, it is inevitable that your thoughts and your actions will also become more clear. You may find that you have more focus, more self-confidence, are more productive at work, are then more involved in your family and in your relationships. The 5 reasons to get organized takes time, focus, and concentration. And in the end, you need to figure out why you want to get organized and how it is going to help you become the best version of yourself. What I can promise you, though, is that once you get organized, you are never going to look back and regret it. Take those next steps and get organized. Please let me know how it goes in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.